Alright, well, I'm just making this quick video because I got in some comments on the LED lights, but I know I saw one comment of one guy asking about the leveling kit that I did not record on installing because I was busy at work and too tired to edit and all that. I'm not really good at that. So I did use the leveling kit. It's 2.5 inches. It has like it's a little bit higher in the front than the back. So it's good, I like it. And I saw and most of the comments are about the LED lights. They do not flicker at all. They work good, like factory, and no issues. I can leave them on automatic. You know, some HID lights, if you put them automatic, they will not work. You will have to turn them on and off to get them to work. So yeah, that is the quick video of the LED lights and the leveling kit. It is a 2-wheel drive. It's not a 4x4. And I do got light tint now. I got pulled over. So yeah, I'll stand here for a little bit to see if they flicker. Maybe I haven't seen them flicker, but they do not. I did see one comment of a guy saying that he saw the lights flicker, but I don't see them flicker. So yeah. Nice abandoned spot. So yeah, that is it. This is what this video is for, just to answer those questions to people. And one guy for sure wanted to see the leveling kit, and a couple of comments on the LED lights. They work good. I put the description on I put the link on the description, I mean, if I remember, if I even still have them. And yeah, I haven't worked on my Mustang. Been busy with work, but I'll do a video on that next because I think I'm gonna start tearing it apart. I think the motor's not good, so yeah. But anyways, it looks good, and I'll put the part number for the leveling kit on the description also. I got it on AmericanTrucks.com, which is American Muscle. And well, yeah, that is it. Give it a like, subscribe, and for sure there'll be more whenever I get some time. If I don't forget to mention, I did get the truck with like, I think 57 miles. That's 9,700 miles. And after I got the truck, like, I want to say 2 days of owning the truck, I did the VTA mod, and I haven't had no issues. I don't know if you can hear it, but no issues. I didn't get annoyed of the sound like people would say that it was gonna get annoying, and just wanted to add that also. It's all the mods I done. I mean, it's not big mods, but yeah. The VTA mod, I did it since it had like probably 100 miles, so I put 9,600 miles to the truck with that mod, and it doesn't have no issues. It doesn't affect it. It just gives you sound, which sounds nice. I mean, I haven't got annoyed of it. So yeah, I just wanted to add that also.